How's it going? It's Mike Love here at MarineMax Somers Point. Love to have you guys come down, walk through this quick new 2024 230 SPX. So starting here, just looking at the hull, we can see we got the horizon color for the hull. We also have the gray interior package and the gray sea deck option here. Nice option, very comfortable under feet, doesn't get too hot in the sun, just definitely makes it a more enjoyable day on the water. Walking up onto the boat here, first we can see this boat's going to be powered by a 250 Verado Mercury Outboard. It's a great power option, provide lots of power for the boat, no problem getting up on plane or carrying lots of people, lots of luggage, lots of cargo. We also have the ski pylon on the back for all your water sport needs. Huge Sunpad on the back here, lots of space for lying out, lots of space for entertaining. Also with that outboard option, this big Sunpad does also offer a lot of additional storage space. So you can see this compartment under here offers tons of storage. We have our bow throw cushions in there. You can fit covers, any water sport toys you wanted to have, tubes, things like that. Here in the cockpit, here, you can see we step down, which is a great way to keep all the kids or pets on board if you have any. Also have a door that can pop out here to make sure everyone stays comfortably in the boat, nice and safe. Lots of seating on the Sea Ray options here. So lots of different configurations, lots of space for entertaining, very inviting for conversation. Yeah, just lots of space, very comfortable seats, and then just very open area. Above me, we have the sport tower with a bimini attached. So this is a great option to keep some of that sun off you on those hot summer days. Also can offer another point for some water sports. Moving forward here into the helm, we can see we have the 7-inch Simrad screen for you to have your maps or engine diagnostics. So you know you're out on the water, see how everything's running. Fusion Bluetooth speaker for all of your audio on the boat to be able to play music, to be entertaining. Flip up and down bolsters on these captain seats. So whether you want to be seated or standing, you can do that very comfortably to operate the boat. They do have a head option on the 230, so you can see that if you do have any guests on board who need to use the head, you do have that option. Also lots of storage on this boat as well, underneath all the seats, as well as that big compartment in the back, so lots of space for things like covers or coolers or anything like that. Moving to the bow of the boat, you can see we have lots of seating up front as well. A great option to be able to face forward, some grab handles. Also something to point out on these Sea Rays is this beautiful stitching. So you have this stitching all throughout the boat. Sea Ray logo along with the design they chose for the SPXs here. And of course the Fusion speakers all throughout the boat. So hope you like the boat. If we invite you down to MarineMax Somers Point. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule a showing, we'd be happy to do that as well. Just give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thanks and see you soon.